Namaste. Welcome to the Center for Audit Quality Directorate of ICAI. In this video, we will guide you through the process of using the utility for determining materiality. Let us get started and explore the 5 sheets of this utility. The first 3 sheets, cover sheet, guidance and step sheets, immaculately help users in understanding the concept and 4-step process of calculating materiality. Users are advised to go through these 3 sheets carefully. Next, we will go to the calculating materiality sheet. This sheet is the core of the utility, enabling auditors to calculate materiality and assess risks systematically. Let's walk through an example for ABC Limited, a profit-oriented entity. Begin by entering details. Entity name, ABC Limited, financial year 2024 to 25. Materiality stage, planning. Type of engagement, statutory audit. Prepared by X. Reviewed by Y. Date, 27th May 2025. Next, evaluate 27 risk factors such as new engagement or complexity in operations. For each, select a risk level, high, medium, low, or not applicable, and assign a weight from 0 to 10. For ABC Limited, we mark new engagement as high risk with a weight of 10, doubt on management integrity as medium risk with a weight of 4. After assessing all factors, the utility calculates an overall risk percentage which works to 62%. Next step is to prepare the risk classification table. Once the user prepares the table mentioned in step 3 and the overall risk assessment calculated as 62% above falls between 40% to 100%, the level of risk will therefore be high risk and is automatically computed through a formula. Next, select the benchmark. For ABC Limited, we choose PBT. Enter the benchmark amount. The auditor may refer note 2. The suggested materiality range appears for low, medium and high risk. Considering the overall risk assessment determined above is high, we select 6% for high risk and the utility calculates overall materiality. Now we select performance materiality between 50 to 90%, which in this case is 78%, and a clearly trivial threshold up to 5%. In the rationale field, document the reason for the percentage selected. Finally, let's go to the Calculate Material Misstatements sheet. This sheet, aligned with SA 450, is designed to document and evaluate misstatements identified during the audit. Users may compare the total known and likely errors with the materiality's threshold and accordingly determine the audit opinion on the financial statements. We are sure that you will find this utility helpful to comply with the standards on auditing and enhance your audit quality and efficiency. In case of any query, mail your issue at caq@icai.in. Thank you.